This Michelangelo 8-inch small frying pan is quite handy. It's small. It has a lid. The pan is non-stick. The copper color looks nice. The ceramic coating seems durable. Cooking feels easier. Cleaning up is also a breeze. You can cook a single egg. Or maybe some bacon. This small pan is a good addition to any kitchen. It won't take up much space. It feels balanced in your hand. The Michelangelo 8-inch small frying pan heats up quickly. Food cooks evenly. Nothing sticks to the bottom. This makes cooking enjoyable, even for beginners. The lid helps trap heat. This cooks comida faster. Splatters are also reduced. The handle stays cool. This is a great safety feature. It's much better than some replacements I've used. This pan feels like a reliable friend in the kitchen. Overall, the Michelangelo 8-inch small frying pan is a solid choice. It's perfect for small meals. Or for side dishes. The non-stick surface works well. Cleaning is truly simple. It's a great value for the price. I would definitely recommend this pan. It makes cooking less of a chore. It's a small but mighty tool. You might even want to buy a whole series of these pans. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: heats quickly, heats evenly, with a lid, stay cool handle, oven safe, durable build, scratch resistant, healthy cooking, versatile use. Cons: might be pricey, handle screw loose, flipping can be hard, rubber handle detaches, non-stick. Life limited, not for many pancakes, handle may get hot, glass lid breakable. Features: non-stick, with lid, small size 8-inch pan, copper look, ceramic coat, easy clean, heats fast, even heat, durable. This is a small 8-inch frying pan with a lid. It has a copper color on the outside and a non-stick ceramic coating inside, which makes it easy to clean. The pan heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly for good cooking. It is also made to be durable for long-lasting use. This small 8-inch Michelangelo frying pan has a non-stick copper surface with a lid and a handle that stays cool. It heats up quickly and evenly and can go in the oven. The pan is built to last and resist scratches, which makes it good for healthy cooking and many types of food. However, it might cost more, and some people have had issues with the handle getting loose or hot, the non-stick not lasting very long, and it's not ideal for cooking a lot of pancakes. Also, the glass lid could break, and flipping food might be tricky. Sometimes the rubber part of the handle can also come off.